Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today is my birthday and I just want to do a small vlog out of it because this birthday is a really different one because it's a lockdown birthday. But I hope people who celebrated birthday in April and May, they found it a little more difficult because you cannot get a proper cake or your favorite cake or things that you can celebrate, or you cannot bring your family and etc etc. But this birthday is something very new because I didn't go out anywhere, but I planned to go. Like I wanted to go for a small shop or something, and I wanted to purchase some stationery for my kid, but I wasn't able to do anything, and I was a little scared to go out also. So I just hope you guys will enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and click the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button. So let's get started. Hey guys, good morning. So today I woke up around 7:30 and my friends were calling me to wish me happy birthday. So it's quite very quiet, and usually my balcony area used to be very noisy because of the traffic. So as it's lockdown and it's extended, it's quite quiet, calm and very nice. So I'm watching the TV just to see the news, and that's how my day started. So my husband and my daughter are sleeping. So I'm going to have some me time. I'm going to have some tea and get ready for the day. So I kind of have my tea early in the morning. I cannot be without my tea. I do get headaches sometimes. So once that's done, I read some 2-3 pages or a chapter if possible from a book. So actually I was really missing out the Power of Habit books since a long time. So I wanted to continue that. And moving on to my breakfast, I really don't like to eat like a heavy breakfast nowadays. I don't know why. So I picked up this Manna health mix recently. So I'm really loving it. I do not recommend it, but I really like it. So then I watch some of my favorite YouTubers, or I see some talks on TV or YouTube. And while I was seeing, my daughter came up to me and she wished me happy birthday. Thank you. So back from a very good and soothing hair wash. So I cleaned my house because the maids are not yet returned. So I cleaned my house. I kind of swept and did my daily cleaning routine, which is about 20-25 minutes. And I put my dishes, and I clean my dishes, and then we are planning for a non-veg lunch today because it's my birthday. So we're planning. So I've asked my father or my husband to go and get some fish. So let's see if I get good fish. So if I get fish, we'll most probably go for fish curry and fish fry. I think that's the easiest quick recipe, mainly on a special day. So then I am going to relax because I feel very tired. So I'm just going to relax, and I'm planning to complete this book today, which is Sudha Murthy's Wise and Otherwise. I missed out to shoot the cooking session, so I ended up with taking a picture of the plate, and I'm going to take a quick power nap in between so that I don't feel tired in the evening. So I'll catch up in the evening. Guys, I just took a power nap and I'm back, and I'm reading this Sudha Murthy's Wise and Otherwise. I hopefully want to finish this book by today, and I have some more plans. So the climate seems to be very good. Actually, it's only 4:30 now. And it seems to be very cloudy, and I hope it rains. Actually, I was planning to go out, but my husband has severe hectic work today. He is completely busy the whole day, and as I told you in my previous video, work from home has become too hectic. It does not give you any advantages. It does not give you any breaks or any relaxation. It is too hectic for people who have loads of work. So I'm just finding some time for me, and my daughter is busy playing. So in the evening, most probably I'll be having a cake cutting session, and I was just realizing that how my last birthday was. So last birthday I had my very close school friend. She came to visit me, and I think it was only like 2-3 months since she settled in Chennai, so it was very good for me because she brought her son, and my daughter and her son, they played really well, and we went to the beach. So things were very normal, and I just realized that how much I miss the beach, how much I miss going out. I wanted to go to a stationery shop today to buy some books and some stationery items for my daughter, because she feels kind of bored the whole day, and she kind of gets adamant. The mental irritation is there for kids, so because they're not able to go out right now, so they feel really irritated. I have my parents nearby, so thankfully, sometimes they take care of her, and I feel really relaxed because of that. Because as I'm pregnant, I cannot take all this, because I do have mood swings which are terribly bad. And when she is also out of her mind and gets irritated, so I just want to divert her. And I thought of going today, but unfortunately I think I cannot make it, because the climate is also cloudy, and I hope it rains, and I want it to rain. Basically, I'll be happy if it rains today because it's my birthday. And also, I think half of the day has gone. So usually I celebrate my birthday with my family, and sometimes I meet my friends, like last year and the previous year 2018 also I met my college friends outside. And usually it is friends and family for me, and that's all. I don't go out, or I don't go for a party or something. Maybe we go out for dinner as a family and we enjoy. So today, the thing which is different, or this year which is different, is this lockdown, and something which gave me relaxation was books. If the internet was down, I think many people would have gone mad. So thanks to the internet and the technology. So that's all for the afternoon. Let's see what happens in the evening, and I hope it rains. So guys, so I am kind of ready, like I just have to do my hair. So I'm ready for a small cake cutting with my family. So I'm just wearing a dress which I got from Delhi. So it's a dress kind of a top, a blue color dress kind of a top. I really like it. It's very comfortable, and as my my belly is a little bigger now, so it's very comfortable. So that's the thing. I have a little more new dresses also, which I think won't be comfortable right now. It must be tight, or it must be a little bit uncomfortable for me because of my belly. So let's see, and I'm just hoping. And it's not raining till now. So it hasn't started to rain, but many places in Chennai have received rain, but I'm just waiting. It's just cool, and it's kind of very cloudy and dark, that's all. So I'm just waiting and hoping it rains. And I'm not going to have any makeup today. I already have my moisturizer, and I'm going to have my lipstick and go for the small cake cutting. So let's meet in the cake cutting. So guys, I just wore some lipstick, and I changed my earrings, and I'm quite ready. So let's get with the cake cutting. So before cutting the cake, I wanted to pray to God, because the morning I was not able to do because I took bath late afternoon. So I just worship God, and I went for the cake cutting. So guys, I'm back from the little simple celebration, and it didn't rain, but it brought a lot of humidity inside the house. It's so hot inside. So that's all. It's about 8:30 now, so we're going to wind up for the day. I'm going to have some dinner, and I'm going to hit the bed soon. So yeah, and that's my daughter. So hope you guys like the vlog, and I'm going to do more videos, and I'll be soon. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.